How to create photo dump trend on Instagram. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your very own July dump photo trend on Instagram. It's a fun way to share your month's highlight, memories, and random moments. Let's get started. First things first, open the Instagram app on your phone and log in if you're not already signed in. Now let's create a post for the trend. Simply tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen to create a new post. Now simply choose a photo that you want to include in your July dump. You can simply select multiple photos, but for this dump, I'm going to be choosing just one. Now after that, simply click on the sticker icon. Here, click on add yours so that everyone can choose to put the July dump, and simply click on July dump, and you can simply resize it or put it wherever you want, like this. And after you've done that, you can also edit with various filters and stickers. Once you're happy with your photos and captions, and simply tap share to post it. And just like that, you've created your very own dump trend on Instagram.